As far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is presently $56, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost examination sort of is negative today in an extremely enormous manner. Dogecoin basically has a medium-term obstruction at $0.64, which sort of is very huge. Doge generally rose 60-99% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. It's 9 walk 2024. In this, we will explicitly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What explicitly is especially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin generally is Doge a truly wise speculation, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, really in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a destruction of 184%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $2 596 498 391 362, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The really all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $149 102 264 845 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally large manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which especially is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, explicitly has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $39.793 during the past 24 hours in a, for the most part, significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time span, which truly is genuinely critical. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana in a real sense, is up by some 49 and at present exchanging at $147.19. So as far as Doge support floor, it in every practical sense is currently $56, which truly is genuinely critical. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.68% in esteem. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37. Following a value change of 358% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market certainly is going in and in every practical sense, descending bearing for exceptionally momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, an essentially broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support basically is a level at which purchases explicitly become in every practical sense, something else all things considered, dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing that Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana, truly is up by 49 and presently exchanging at $147.19. So as far as Doge support floor, it sort of is currently $0.56 in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors in a real sense become move truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Certainly further appearance how as of now, for the most part, broad genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an all things considered significant way. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge generally is at 0.17, down 2.8% in every practical sense recent hours and in every practical sense has a value change of 16.99% over the course of the week. Pretty further appearance how as of now and in every practical sense, general especially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. 1 day. Exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 3,677,575.44 US, while truly complete market cap came to $23,769,317.809 US, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a genuinely descending bearing for truly present moment, or so they generally thought. There especially are practically 143,394, 376, 384 by and large are available for use out of 143,394,376,384, which really shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $3,917.23 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost examination for Zo9 Walk 2024 inside an especially everyday time span, all things considered, made sense of underneath in an especially significant manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength indexes, moving kind of normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially basic moving kind of normal SMA and outstanding moving truly normal and made to in a real sense dissect the future development of the Dogecoin. So following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge basically is at 0.17, down 2% in the very beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 16.99% over the course of the week. By and large, further appearance how right now a very broad, by and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is very critical. While Doge's Williams % R pointer especially is at 58,383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign is genuinely conceivable at this reach, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, showing how Zo9 Walk 2024. In this we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on some pressing issues facts, what explicitly is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin in every practical sense. Is Doge a genuinely wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, showing that Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The genuinely relative strength file RSI shows that the Dogecoin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 24, so support certainly is a level at which purchases explicitly become genuinely more kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, essentially is up by Zone 49 and right now exchanging at $147.19. So as far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is presently $0.56, which generally is genuinely critical. Ends Dogecoin generally has most certainly barely any recuperation risks and could in a real sense keep testing prompt opposition level of $0.62 before long, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound